Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time of you checking on my channel, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more videos. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to draft a pencil skirt. We'll be using this piece of fabric for the skirt. Firstly, I folded my fabric into two, and I'll fold it again, making it into four, leaving 1.5 inches extra for our zipper allowance. Skirt length is 37, and I added 2 inches extra for seam allowance, which is 39. I'll be taking our waist measurement. The waist measurement I'll be using is 28. 28 divided by 4 is 7. I'll add 2 inches extra and 1 inches for that. I'll be coming down with 8 inches for our hip line. Our hip measurement is 38. 38 divided by 4 is 9.5. Also add 2 inches here. At the down part of our skirt,
at the hemming line, I'll minus 4 inches from our hip measurement. The hip measurement I'm using is 38. 38 minus 4 is 34. So I'll be using 34 for our hemming line. I'll add 1 inch
because I want the down of my skirt to be very thin. I'll connect the lines together from the hip line to the hemming line. I'll go ahead and cut it out. Okay, now I'll be taking our waist slope for balance. We take 1 inches from this side, the folded part of the front skirt. We take 1 inches downward and connect it to the other end of the skirt like this, 1 inches, and I'll connect from this point like this for our waist slope. This will enable our skirts to be balanced. I'll just go ahead and cut this out. Okay. This is the first skirt. We use the lining to turn both the front part of the skirt and the back part before attaching a band to this skirt. Cutting out the lining from my skirt, I'll be using this lining to turn the both sides and the hemming part of my skirt. I used 1.5 yards to cut the pencil skirt. Please make sure you notch your lining in order to know where your zipper allowance is. You notch out the 1.5 inches we used for zipper allowance on the lining, so that while turning the lining you will not mix it up. I've cut out the lining from the front and the back. As you can see, at the down part the lining is not equal, This is because I'll be turning it down and leaving some inches of Ankara at the down part. You place your lining at the right face of the Ankara. You stitch it straight to the end like this. Then you push the Ankara upward with the number of inches you left for the skirt. You sew the both side, then turn it over and iron. This will make your skirt look very neat after sewing. When I finish sewing it, I will come and show you what I'm trying to explain. This is the lining for the front and back. I'm done cutting it. I'll go ahead and turn it over with my lining. The back is one side of the back, this is the other side, and this is my front part. So right now the next thing I'm going to do is to take my dart measurement for the skirt. Then after sewing the dart, I will shaping the skirt using the body measurement. I've marked out my darts for the both side. You see, I've marked it out. I used 5 inches downward, 5 inches downward, then half inches on both sides. I connected the line to the end, to the 5 inches, half inches on the right and left. I took my darts measurement using my nipple to nipple, my bust to bust measurements. My bust to bust measurements is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And I came in with half inch inward and outward. While the length of my dart is 5. So I will go ahead now and sew the darts. After sewing the darts, then you can take your body measurements. Make sure you first sew your darts before taking the body measurements. So I'll do just that right away. I've sewn the darts. I forgot to show you the outcome of our skirt after lining it. You can see the down part looking very neat. There is no rough edge. Looking very neat. There is no need for you to weave your skirt. And this is also the side, looking very neat. This is a full lined pencil skirt. So I'll go ahead and take my body measurement. For the back of my skirt will be having the sharp open at the back part. Okay, I'm through with shaping my skirt. You can see the inside of my skirt is looking very neat. See, for the back slits, I used 18 knee above your knee. You measure from your ankle to 2 inches above your knee measurement, and this is it. You can go higher if you want, depending on your preference. This is the front part of the skirt. In my next tutorial, I'll be showing you on how to cut the blouse that will go with this beautiful pencil skirt. I can't try it on because it's not my size. It's for a customer. So thank you for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and God bless you all. Bye bye.